welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna do a try on haul from Shein. I got all the stuff here. Inopen ko na siya from the box. I got 7 dress and 1 short. So without further ado, let's get started. Unahin natin ito, mga dresses. It's a smock dress, but as a bit formal kasi may ano siya, may collar, and it's a long dress. They call it a smock dress. Ano, super trendy to siya. Pero napapansin nyo ako lately na mahilig ako sa smock dress, but this one is a long one, which is perfect as well kasi hindi naman ako kaanuhan din, anong tawag no to? Hindi naman ako masyadong pandak. So this is perfect for me. Dirty white yung kanyang color. And then, if I gonna rate this one, I think it's gonna be a 9 out of 10. Kasi hindi siya masyadong see-through. Tama lang. And then, if you're gonna wear nude undies, so just perfect. So this is 9 out of 10. The next one we got, guys, is ito siya, pang araw-araw. Sleeveless siya, another smock dress. And it has different color. Pink, yellow, and blue. Ayan, pang ano lang ba, araw-araw sa pambahay. Pero sobrang ganda ng ano niya. Meron siyang tie, both sides. So, ma-adjust siya. And then, this is the back. Tsaka yung ano niya, yung tela is very comfy. Hindi siya yung tela na mainit. Malamig siya. Malamig sa ano, skin. Which is really good. And then, ano naman, hindi naman siya masyado ding see-through. Tama lang. So, this is perfect for just, you know, chilling out. Or you can wear this as well going out. So, I'm gonna rate this one maybe 8 out of 10. And then next one is a flower dress. Ooh. Maano siya, masyadong mabuka. Kailangan to ng blazer. It looks nice as well. Ganito siya, may pa ano dito, what you call him, sa arms niya. Medyo puff siya. Matabunan yung ating malaking braso. Another smock dress. And meron siyang tie in front. Smock dress. And then the back is like this. Yung front lang niya, medyo may pa cleavage. Pero pag magsuot naman ng blazer, so it's gonna be fine kasi sobrang ano niya, open in front. So yan, maganda rin yung kanyang tela, malamig. At like I said, yung ano niya, pag nagsuot ng nude undies, okay lang. Hindi siya masyadong nagpapakita ng alam mo yun. So yan, maganda rin siya. I'm gonna rate this one 9 out of 10. Really nice dress. Yung length ata niya is hindi siya masyadong mahaba at hindi masyadong maiksi. The next one is pink dress na may flower print. Oh, a bit complicated. Ay, para siyang ano, what you call this dress? Another puff shoulder. Ayan, malaki din yung shoulder na. And parang robe siya. Parang robe style na ano mo sa bewang. Medyo open din siya in front. This is how it look like. Open siya sa front. Tapos may tie siya. But apart from that, I think that should be fine. Open siya. Kailangan din ng blazer this one. Kasi medyo open yung kanyang front. Tapos yung likod niya is plain. Ang kagandahan nito, pag may belt dito sa ano, nakakaliit siya ng waistline. So, ano siya, medyo maiksi din. I think this is gonna be like, lagpas lang ng tuhod. Pero, hindi naman siya masyadong maiksi din. Tapos, may pa-ruffle. I'm gonna rate this one 8 out of 10. Maganda rin yung kanyang tela. So, yan yung ating next. And the next one we got here is a blue dress. Oh, cotton siya. Maganda yung kanyang tela. Another smock dress and long dress. V-shape. Kasi mahilig ako sa, alam mo niya pa, ano dito, pa cleavage ni Mior. So, ano siya, mayroon din siyang tie sa waist, which is really nice. Kasi, like I said, nakakaliit ng waistline. And, it's a long dress, this one. Sobrang ganda ng tela, ang lambot-lambot. This is the front. Meron siyang button. Dito lang, banda. Here. And then, it's plain sa baba. And the back is just plain. I think I'm gonna rate this one 10 out of 10. This is one of my favorite. Maganda siya. So, yan ang ating next dress. And the next one is, I think this is sleeveless. Pangbahay ulit. Yes, pambahay or pang beach, mga ganun. Simple lang, pang ano lang ba, pang bahay. Meron din siyang tie, both side, na pwedeng i-adjust. Color green checkered. Ayan. And then the back. Tama lang yung kanyang ano, hindi rin siya masyadong see-through at yung quality ng cotton is very comfy. Maano siya, masarap sa skin. Hindi siya yung harsh. Kasi minsan yung ibang tela na medyo makati. Pero this one, no. Very nice. So, that's our next dress. Perfecto for beach. Diba? Nice. And the next one, I think, is a red dress. Ayan, it's a red. Another sleeveless dress. May pa V-shape, another V-shape in front. And then, meron siyang adjustable sa baba, sa likod. Ayan. Na-adjust yung likod, which is perfect. And then, meron siyang zip at the back. Another smock dress. So, this is how it looks like. Yan. Ano lang siya, below the knee, yung kanyang length. Ang cute ng ano niya sa front. Yan. Perfect for summer. And perfect for Philippines. Hopefully soon. And the last one we got is the shorts. Pang ano lang ba? Pang araw-araw. Tie-dye short. Malaki siya. Maluwang to. Pero yun naman ang gusto ko, yung alam mo yung nakakahinga. Black tie-dye short. That one. Maganda rin yung kanyang tela, makapal. And it's not see-through. Perfect. So, yan yung ating last item from Shein. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope na enjoy nyo yung ating video today. Please like if you enjoy, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. In the world, we can be anything. Remember to always be kind. Before I end this video, guys, I would like to shout out John Del Monte. Shout out to you, Dai, my silent viewer and subscriber. Nagpapa-shoutout siya. This is for you. Shout out. And PH in Norway. si Samarain Channel, Sir Joel, si Koy, Nini Vloggers in Sweden, sis Anwanta, Guapsly Ars, Dai, Life with Lin K, my brother in YouTube, Denswak TV, Ambitiusong Unggoy, but his channel now is changed to Inchung Di Hayon. And sino pa bang nakalimutan kong i-shout out? And kung gusto niyo i-shout out sa next video, just comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone. Oh, kalimutan ko pala si Beshi Virang. Pasensya na sa mga nakalimutan. See you in the next one.